How to make an AI image generator bot on Poe. In order to do that, let's head over right here to the create bot section, and then we just need to head over and then name them. So for example, let's put in here image AI microbiology like this, and it needs to be around 4 to 20 characters. And then you just need to choose in here the bot behavior. So it's much more complicated to use servers, so let's head over and use prompt, and then head over and click on this space bot. Now in here we have the text bots, so let's head over and then go in here for the other bots that they offer from in there. Now we have in here the image bots. You can see that they have DALL-E, Ideogram, Playground, and a lot more. Now take note, you can see in here this subscriber access, which means that you need to subscribe to them in order to actually use this. So if you want to still make an image generator bot without subscribing, head over and use some that is actually made official only and doesn't have subscriber access like this. For example, let's head over and use this Stable Diffusion and then put in here some best practices, and then just put in here a greeting message, let me help you, and then you can put here also the bot AI, and then in here you can make this bot publicly accessible as well as monetization option. Click on this create bot, click on continue without editing, and then from there it will create your bot for you. As you can see, we have now created this bot. So for example, let's say something like give me an image of an onion cell. Now it will generate an image for you. Now it will search for that, and as you can see, we have now seen in here a generated image of the cell that we are looking for. So that's how you make an AI image generator bot on Poe. Hope we helped.